this project, you'll need safety glasses, glove, and a Phillips head screwdriver. To change the direction of the Mortice latch, especially if accidentally rotated, first locate the Mortice latch. Open the door panel. Locate the strike pin, which is right below the latch. Then compress and hold the strike pin. Then pull the handle up. You should see the lock activate. At this point, pull the latch out and rotate to the correct position. Check to make sure the latch is correct by pushing down on the handle to deactivate the lock. Then closing the door and rotate the handles up until it stops. Then rotate the lower thumb turn to activate lock. To unlock the French door, first rotate the lower thumb turn to unlock. Then rotate the handle down fully to disengage all locking parts.